Welcome to Pioneer FX. Today is the 27th of November. Currently doing the weekly analysis for this upcoming week commencing the 28th. In terms of fundamentals now, nothing has changed drastically. We did have the interest rate for New Zealand, which has hiked to 4.25%. Other than that, not much change from last week. Looking at what the large speculators are currently doing, the dollar looks like it's bound to melt, potentially through to this week. So looking for gold buys, US oil buys, and the rest of the currencies to push higher against the dollar. So looking at, starting off with gold, you can see here last week on the weekly time frame, you can see that gold pushed down and then closed bullish last week with sort of a doji candle. That's that on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see that price turned here. Just clear my chart actually because it's a bit messy. So we can see that price turned over here, pushed up, pushed down. It was towards the end. It did push down last week on Monday, Tuesday, and then towards the end of the week pushed back up again. So we can draw that region as a support area for this upcoming week. And this area here as a resistance area as well. On the daily time frame, push over to the 4 hourly, you can see that it's heavily consolidated, but generally looking for buys on the higher time frame above 1759.3. And looking for sales below 1732 on the higher time frame. It's 4 hourly now. We can also look for sales below this territory as well. Push over to the hourly now. A lot of consolidation in this area here. So generally speaking, for our boundary, we can say that this zone here is our current zone or region. Looking for that clean break below 1745 would be good for sales as well. So that's our range for this week. Nice, decent, nice clean range. Consolidated in this area over here between 1755 and 1747. So that's that in terms of gold. AUD USD is another one. You can see here Australia is a buy. The dollar is weak. looking for sales. Fundamentally, it is on a neutral sort of bias, but yeah, AUD USD potentially looking for buyers for this upcoming week. Last week it done really well, so it pushed down low to these territories here, and then pushed up, which was over 162 pips last week. So as planned, it pushed up from the lows as expected. The usual scenario, to be honest. So for buys, we'll be focusing the breakout above 0.67783 is a buy. Click over to the daily. Yeah, definitely need to see a break above 0.6783, 6783, 67783. Yeah, break below this area, we've got clean traffic coming down towards 0.66. Yeah, so that's that. That's our range for this week. Which is not bad. But realistically, we are looking for buys, so a break above 0.67783 is realistic. USD CAD. Closed off there with a doji, bearish doji. 4 hourly. So we're still below 1.33943. If we get a bearish candle around current price, we'll be focusing on taking profits around that area, 1.33202. If we see a rejection around this area, obviously take profits. But we need to see a clear break of this region for it to push down towards the next territory. So there's a range to be respected in this area. Basically no trading zone. And looking for buyers above there. So this is a no trading zone as well. It's a bit tricky USD CAD, but at current price, if we do get a rejection here, a bearish candle, we could easily see it come down to 133.202. If that breaks, we can see it come down to 133.1323. And then if it rejects from here, then obviously do take profits off the table because it can easily bounce back up. US oil is heavily bearish. You see here from last week's candle, price pushed up, rejected, and came back down again over 500 pips. So what to expect for this upcoming week? It has broken down and it has broken 76.71. So what does that mean? We could potentially see it push up towards 77.2 or 77 point, or even 78 before melting down even further. So realistically speaking, we do need to see a clean break below this area here to continue sales down. Slides. Or clean push up. And break above this area to potentially look for buyers to continue up towards these territories here. So this is our range. No trading range. Euro USD. All right, let's see what happened to Euro USD on the weekly time frame. Pushed down and then pushed up. So whatever we expected last week, it happened. So pushed down and then pushed up, bullish candle. So we could potentially expect to see Euro USD continuing to push it up higher into higher territories. We'll need to see a clean break above 1.03928 for the continuing momentum to the upside. Looks like it's in a consolidated range in this area. Consolidated range. So realistically speaking, we're looking for a break above here to continue the momentum to shift up. So that's our range right there. So that's our range for Euro USD. USD JPY, this was a fantastic trade I took on board last week. Just looking for sales below here. And this was the candle here that triggered it. Place the sell stop here. Pushed into profit, move stops to break even, and it just melted all the way down. Beautiful 1 to 15%. Risk to reward, absolutely amazing. TJ absolutely melted last week, so still expected to see the same momentum. So what to expect for this week is to continue to push down towards lower territories. If it breaks 138.674, you could see it push down even lower. 142.068, then we could potentially see it drive up. So we're looking for sales below here, the buys above this breakout here. For the intraday, we could potentially do see a clean break above this region. We're looking for buys, plenty of clean traffic for it to push up to this area here. So plenty of trades on the table for this week. Amazing trades last week, man. Absolutely amazing. USD Swiss franc is very choppy, so just be careful when trading this pair. Very choppy and very volatile too. That looks better. So we're looking for sales below this region and buys above here. So we're currently in a consolidated range at the moment. Look over to the 1 hour. Could have a buy set up there intraday. Sells just there. Absolute beast of a trade last week. This one was USD Mexico. Extremely volatile too. Potentially see it drop down towards 18.6 long term. Extremely choppy where it is currently. That's our range for USD Mexico for this week. Another beautiful trade took last week as well. Right, on the weekly time frame, GU pushed up. And you could see it continuing to push up this week. Long-term target 1.34. Weekly target 1.23. And that's our range for this week. For GU. So we're looking at plenty of trades here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trades in total for this week. Most likely bound to play out. The green here on my watch list are overall bullish momentum for the week, bearish momentum for the week. So that's my forecast based on our fundamentals and where the big boys are looking to take it. And we are currently looking at ranges as to where we can look for potential buys for or sells for this upcoming week. So I hope I've recapped it very, very well for you guys. So obviously do draw out these ranges and do keep an eye out of it, looking at it from a 4 hourly or even a 1 hour or half an hour time frame. But yeah, looks like it's going to be a pleasant week this week. So continuing to make plenty of profit for this upcoming week. Thanks once again, and I shall see you guys at some point next week. Probably might go live again this week, just as I did last week. We managed to actually last week trade. We managed to win 2 trades. 2 of them were stopped at. 2 of them stop losses were triggered, and 1 of them break even. That was when we went live, but the following day after that managed to bag at least 4 trades in profit. So overall it was a 6 out of 2. 6 out of 2 actually, so 6 wins and 2 losses. It wasn't bad at all last week, and 1 break even. So I probably might go live at some stage this week, but I will keep you guys informed what day and what time, and also whichever session that is, I will keep you guys informed. Thanks once again, and I shall see you guys at some point this week. Thank you. Bye for now.